Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how to order Tesco Clubcard. So if you want to order your Tesco Clubcard, follow me in this video. Go to Google, search for Tesco, click the first result here. You will see this page. From here, all you have to do, click register, this option. As you can see here, when you click register, this is for process, and then write your all details, fill such your email address and set up your password. In this case, follow me in this case. Join a club card, it's a free. So guys, it is free to save your money. Choose any join club card, click join today's, and then from here fill your all details such your titles, your Mr. titles, your first name and then last name, and fill your phone number and then write your address. After that, you should be marketing performance. Click push on this two option here, and then you, after complete this process, you can order your Tesco Club card with a free. It is free, friends. You don't need any pay money for this option. After that, you will open, this is for Tesco Club card. As you can see here, this is your dashboard. You will see your points here. You will see your voucher, your rewards, your points. You can use all this for Tesco Club cards. Thanks for watching this video, friends. I hope this guide helpful for